na me yalon ko email la fa na problemo beta na ka da mo wol bawo banko ka ni mo be ka fotan kele kilende ko sal dalam signoti dalam den takula na adol mankele nyawanya na dinol mankele nyawanya bare ku dan tambeje mfanang be ka d'accord no wala mondi banko nyata marala nyawanya tata mala nyama banko luwa so no wol walbe sire ne momo yatinya e ka dun dole hakoda woluwa kantala wala mjumaati masakunda so dem masakunda we sire ko katinya banko kan tinya robe kere banko kan ital ibuka kubonoje na manke diamba ken samon wo masakunda sifa at fuda nyawnya mo sa fono ko is a failed state mo ya sa buka mo la hajo menti to buko jarano mo la sula ko menti buko ma fano gambe masakunda ya mata ketala ko ñing mafia groupol men ka nke jube television ton ke la fimol jube ngame masa ko ndala ban takela wala ñam ita lollo ko mo nati wala banko dingol ke batande do ye fengo fenga ka banko dingol la to ye fengo feng wala ne bu ke dalo no kuka na manke ka fu mo len ko ngasilo do ko jana ngasilo do ko jana ngasilo do ko jana ngasilo do ko mo la baro man tro sonare mo jël la ka si ka fo yon ko ndal lañu ci la carte ñi ñaata la bi wo kay ni yobe se wore moma fa silo mambete at no fa man kuma ya bar ko priority la jawara si wadi folo ne ya man silo do ko olke ban ko me ya fan so do ko dag e ga institutional la lo o institutional ni bi wala be lore sa fa nge falene wala dol ti nyata la dol boyta la bari institution be gambia bi jawara man so ko dajal ko banko sula de nyina wala mo telecommunications gam tal da wala kon e fele parate bo ti nyar port authority ay ku jamale jara gambia anda container hani bi bawo gambia bu ko fem produce songo fenga ko bana bantal o ports authority wol fana gambia makoy jawre o establish ye nana da funding kel la ko wo stadium me yalo jira fala bebe tinyaka amanda wala produce marketing board GPMB gambia cooperative union social security housing finance corporation ku jama balu bi je men yalon ko jawra ma sokunda aje ko banko sulata nyin la ka institutional law ka ministry law ka agency law bodo fel nyol bebe wol ko ye banko mol nafa gambia na selo do ko sa fa se mema na ko masla even nyam banjul sara kunda highway ngamra 1981 82 kata 83 nyol ma fa wala princess anne wala fa na ta asilo nyi ya o tay mo le wasilo de da kabri 1965 independence sora so mol ni wora rawon le bije amanke ko silo man kumaya akumata ba te fon bari silo me yalon ko ni ba fla kumaya la wala safaro mol ye futano nyoma mol ye chok nyolo e keno sama la be la sama do ko wala la tiyo ko sanno natra sama do ko ka aka ke damento asemma isa fa balon ko nyol lam bari mu nyol lam ni la fengol do ko aba wa fela mentole ba sama la nang GPMB nyol ma fa wala ibe sula la moto le mbira ko malete ye samana wol fana wol ka sula silo le ni aja ka ke silo jama safaro le futa nyomo e ka wala sonyan ba no safaro no futa nyomo man dara al halal ite luwolu ye wol tro nga silo do ko luwolu ye wol nga silo do ko luwolu ye wol nga silo do ko mo la balo be ko leare poro me ya ko balwo nyanta futal na ninjel ba wontal bu ga do ko wo be lantal abe tinyare mole bari law maaw ma nga silo do ko jana karamol lo jana classroom lo jana ti alla joma betea ti alla riso karam do no ma resource ita la maaw ma tata be mol wala nan ko la maaw ma e ka banko dingol la to alete zona munati enin KMC yesu manala kabri yo musu no samananje man ko dañu na to fon la Sena Martin e songola ya nga ro makelo kon no wali so jaron kol be janna mambo nyomit ndal ya mambo woti ñaar la me yalla ko asabati tala ko ay tiñaro le e palaso men di ala tiñaro ke je o mari o mo si fale ñandal yewul bondi la do ko la bawo jamaala den na famala hana kete bulu accident won bare pour ñin kamala ka jama hakilo tan ko ndika fo ko ha ndal na sobe yalla mo moy tiñaro ke janto la tala hakilo tan ko ma mari bon la do ko la mo do ke je men sa samano bar mo kendol men ka do ko ka manja ñol sival ikawol bonde jele ye mo do samana me yalan ko aba continue o kuriya men ka kenunje ka continue wal seno mata ñol ye ke place do tiñaro ke je aba men ye do ko wala men yalan ko so bayata wala local council di so baya Gambia man so kunda be ko ne tarana ibe wol tala wol amanke be fana de kat basse o hana be tiñare wol fana mane en président le bulukele bawo ni tapere so bayale ka kelol wuli takam yo kel wol man jankama ya bonde je amanke man janda mari amadou sana ñolle e kelo wole ndeka ma ye bondi bare be kuriya be sabatalo kam ital kete samentu ya fay ka police ol ki kanay ka mol office bu ndal kat yow la ke sem sena martin ko sa tiñaro ke je KMC ya bay baro ko men na bay bawo nen ko baro minister bi ke dankate la atalam ko ko so yo tiñarali ka wala sambana ya fo en ko ye continue ke place ol jonga ñolle kabrina de ya ko tiñaro sembo warta bil kama area council ini yow ñoo saban ngo kije ya bondi ya samar la dor instead of ya bay bar man jagnol men ya lon ko ya pensional la ko beson ya ndi bul hani la pension jo waro sira manjire ta ñu ranjam bal ibita bank la do ya ko do bondi ita fle ta bi na bi so may na janita la pension jo wo soto la e fam fendi le la aya traité même be jo pasol ni ko fu ñu ma ni tabe men soto la ji wol be kala la ko nakil ko na takila ay obe bonde je so be yabe kere njere yo boy bar men yalan ko tiñaro ke la be panchankala aram baro terol mo wolle marama ke kensen de fanan gamme ne ajube ñu wato ko no fa kunun scandal ku dole fende fo kunun ko ba ñu sube pale men kare so ne ajube misala ko mesafo ko Gambia na ko state la wala monti drogue wa fila letam Gambia banko amanka drogue wa fila da mate mba fala fanan ko men yalon ko nyin ko di tinya wala ka kelo ko comme nyin ko di furo basically ka fanyale illicit financing mol kam Gambia ko la mol ka tara ka chala nga ko yeke ayen kamfa nga diama ko la janim ben daji la wala kudo yeke nga nyana nyin dol. Give me some water. Oh, that's so that I started. Thanks. First, make it on passport scandal. Now, more than a the passport all the more la many along make banko di wol. The Gambian banko di yadi wol. Mo ma wol lom manku da Gambia mi along kasa Gambia di wol na fa mo fon balon forward. Mo jama be wol fon ko ne ne me singolo Gambia ni ko e Gambia ren ma ko de dal na mendo. One more killing the passport was a dealer. The car dealer on come. Thank you. Okay. The passport was a car dealer on come. Well, I'm going to more than mentioning. So, passport scandal, BJ. Wokola, Woko can may amount how many tons? Marco look more for correct. How many tons of cocaine you have Gambia? You go a kendo make a to for Malon Jumal from down in Ratola. May along come Malon Jumal kill him, Banta care. Honeybee, Casamambo Jabber. What drug memory Gambia, honeybee? How many tons of cocaine? Adundamendo. Jumal Dabi. Momanku, honeybee, Kumambono. So, you have an example flanjo, or a walk again scandal. Number 3, or magic air maker for men for plain old sun. In a register Gambia. Or sin Nerman lo Gambia, a flight Nerman na Gambia, a cool phone Nerman do Gambia, but a registration in the name of Gambia. Munam, because Gambia is a country, it's a state. Dunyambe recognized that Gambia is a state, a member of the United Nations. So now that the international transaction, la Gambia can operate as a state. Wolonko, a mafan sumbankol. So you welcome na kama to bypass and go call be the chodoro labandamendole Belarus and the Russian mafan because mane will be sanction on the fast sanction on fatonya mantonya the lahajiro ngalo na ko sanction on the kwadi. So sa no will after sandro kele buka keno e ka modol le tota e ko ngo ite etokije isa jantal sula dem nan se wosoto den sina kam metabul e Gambia ke bana bano ana mbaro sonta amanda wala Russian oil scandal o sanction kilo ngokor Russian oil me yanko bukela oil buka wafino la tulol men ka bola banko ka ni la natural gas ani wasifa buka wafino Gambia da blandi Ibrahim ay nemba Gambia ta fin dawro kunun fola kunun ko monegara iko Assad me alon ko ma be ke fende mo fa kala banko dingol mo ke gas de numero 1 kabri wulta kam e kelo wula kam sanji jalu mo wuli wulo le fa do bare akul la ba ma kalang no fa e bori banko ka janabe borla atara la bagasol membe jala kodol membe jala sanol na la lulul be bon la banko ka nyaadi le e mo fero sono la businessman do le Gambia newspaper le mouth ba on del newspaper le read ka yu mo ne ke walla o kodo bondinya Gambia dabla ta ko kono kuru yabe keren Gambia da ka bla ko kono aram baro ma sakunda ko ne hakilo ba kala si wadi fola ta men dol Congo Brazzaville Gambia ne wole mun affaire resort so ñun kusi fa la be keren Gambia me alon ko ñim money laundering ko lem illicit financing ñing drug related issues wodrom Gambia to ka finte wala ñim passport scandal be sa ñim basal asa international community wala mello wala siarantal fo nga mello nintal la newspaper ya bondi wala ka men solo asikata si ala bak bar wala agent sola on the ground dula ber la investigation wala ka ñim kusi fa review so nintal nga tanalo wala kemen nintal lullo o bebe na amana kala e be simfa ta la be labana ka Gambia la manto Gambia dingol lebe toral because ni ala masakunda ka aka banko dingol la to masakunda bu ko kala man so ñun kusi fa lebe keren Gambia wala adna aram boro ni mo kende ta keno mo krungol draw ni wala sa keno because ñim be mo kuriyal fo banko la luwal tinyal lemba fo international luwa tinyal lemba abe ka fundaw ñi ñim mo krungol be fundaw ñi la yamante du na nje ki dol men fayda Gambia ñe police officer flafa ya la ken nin kilnaka Italia ko wol membe dabal ko ñina moy to la sedo do ku ma a fengo fenna mal la to ñabulo ni o mo fala jube isa lon ko mari professional la mo me yalan ko kafo ko ne te mo le target je mo saba yebe bun kidol ye mo folon bun kidol ya fa wo kafo ko na je kido be mari la bul mo flanya mo me jikita ko ñing bawo ñin do boytal parce que ñun dolbe kido sigala ay remplacer yo fanambu yafa sabanyo ñin keta muso o kafo ko e man tay ñun na mo la fu ma yalan kan na ma security training soto mo malon kan an nen policier kubla ñoko e ko wala yak ye men samane ko la moy to la seda kumba ba famode fo mama jabi lamba ñu wato ko nga wala jabi campagne la baro ya kamana ka number 1 la oppositional frame la jele ka wol tumi ka foko anya manke banko din kendo de be wol ñin la banko jawol pour yi bu lo la no la wol kan ñaadi o wambenno ko ñeju sama na rara pepsi sama ñi wala mala seda folo ñaw e ko me o mol bu ngi dola e fa o samato me a dun kabra bo mal fala yo samato ni yewol muta ye jel e samato sama ne ka adun am ko ngasima sai ka fo le la farbol la sama la be wol sama lam la samato fel e singo fel abla ko na man kunji a be kuriya mo mo ya ke professional la bu ya ka la live to yan Gambia ñu ko la jamal bi je ka moy ko ye lolé bandi wala bi je bu ko mo jakon ki dolo fata banko kan crime rate be siare banko kan ni scandal men be ka ke involving international violating international sanctions Gambia da ka taraji faya kalam dalba fama kalam dalba ba ta ka tarasi nol ata nyanta men kala ka ba dembo ka si wala na si boda na wul asinaw ba da ko do jota tinyaro be kera ay esite munala kata wul ka dina alfal samana ya jame ka men si fa keno ngabra kawra ba sungru no nyapen kanna gamol be kere mbanda tulo be alquran no suko na finda ala rambu ba bal dunga ala tas boyo muta alquran no muta blo ko na bu kuriyan ko misul ko na nyino adam baro lota janne sali wato bana sunkar salo me yalo ngonte la hada mayar ni sal keral botale ka findi ba dum le ka yek ali ñoo duwa ñoo ali ñoo konton ali fama bondo bawo lu mo kata do gol mo kata kunguto mo kata office nga duwa ñoo nga dimbaya jube molbe ñaadil nga badi yaajo wala kata wala mutella adot dino fana nata wala sabatin ko al badi yaajo alay mol men deng wala ñante ke badi ngol mo kana du ngol teme kana badi yakun adam baro mo nek hamad bale folo ya commencé banko al fal sindi dina ñaato ngol ye doya ke neng kar wo mol hamad bal di am ñaan amanjar moy dasé ko moy tato video lam sa wala be kéré ka fo ya fale mamo nga moy la video bi jël mol ya jubé adam baro ya be ko mo nek ka wo si hal mamul ka ñene ki jaral mamul ka ñene ki yal mamul beten al mamul beten bari dal mo kilumol men yalon ko be wal mamul ka jafila ko wal ka fitno lo kurkur banko ka e baf la ma di jawar ñol bawol ka to ñal fo ka fitno lo kurkur banko ka ital hayne be mo lo kordal boy le ko fendi le be se be dum be si la deme fitno kurkur la tamiro sala jin ko hayne ko yen yol la e be damante be to woldo wala yefa jumale wo sa man sa kunda kenya sa ay woke woti ñaro ko la atata modol ko man ka foko ha muslim elders gambia bu muslim ka fa job jalla soro ko khutale dabla ja be mu corruption dina alfa fanande tawalium la londo siaranti la sango siaranti la bu nyaale ben ni tema manya na fle ta nyantam nekel bawo alfa andal lab yato e bu alfa yama bare politiko wala be kere anda sege ital longo politiko to afuta damento anim politiko ko ke nyame mankili ita la miro da ke nyama na ke nyame mankili bi politician ol sa ko men yalan ko be masakunda wol sula ko be monete be mara lo continue no la nyaadi la mo kana bonnimul isa fani yake pour ka sabati masakunda isa tilimbal yake pour ka siwo masakunda isa molfa pour ka continue o mansayal isa mol du nyoto isa football bank isa ko nono bekel pour ka siwo masakunda ni wal kaltol ko mande pour ka nana ali sutiyela oto mol nyanda jela la ko ni be tinyaro la fana al fana ko wala al ka diam ni salaji ko men kata ya man dawo damala ko mbudula bela be mol la kordal buzule bul ko kana masakunda kana do ko ki sanji fla sanji saba sanji nani sanji lulu kuta kala je sanji woro njaw nga je atala nyote ma adi le dimbaya ani lo mol wo mol me yewol bandi je wol kala to maranke di il faut la wuludla wala be kere sa nembu gal ma wol je ka diam wo ko wala muneka nake banko mol kana judu wala imaje bi mo do fa ko ha cristiano mo bu ke je ka nyinkete cristiano wol ni wol fankata tenen tan ke ye musulman alfa do ay islam ning islam dina ñaaron ko ye dabla ñim politique ko ko ma fa kané dabla je bari ya ke ni silo la me yalon ko ta mol jutun la dino ba wo la ke baro mol ka dino jube wala fa ñanta kala fo ma ñanaka ita ka islam mo jube wala so sa ka xigul tuot ba nga fa ñambe hako dal lantal manke amar moti bari politiko membe kering aram barol politiko politik norim ba Supreme Islamic Council beji manana man an wol man kaja bawo ko bañul muslim elders bal sa ngalon nako aman ka bañul muslim elders dama ni wol fanam benana ike do ñol ko man so mo sa fa Supreme Islamic Council la wol beji rawdatul maja raw ka ka folo nya majalis wol fanam beji nda lamirodo nsa fa ko etal mandara dino kan ko nyanda tar la ka nyame bar ahmad yal fanam jo fanam ke fam ko man muslim wol la sa ka na muslim elders lo ko te ko sa wol ko juma represent ñing kafu jamal be te ñanta mu nek la wala ko jawala la jamano mu nek ko kuma je Supreme Islamic Council ata no wala ka di wol fana lo la ñanta kala mu nek wala ko banko kal luwal kana safeje me yalon ka mol batan le la dino la karo wala ñanta kala wol fana lo la so wol nim men ñanta do ko kala baake wala ñanta kala munti National Assembly ba wala ka luwal sa ni loi propose ko nyanta kala wal financial wal console isa je Supreme Islamic Council isa fako mor ko Dakar la mol be jele men yalon ko wol mu Imam Malik follow la let wala Imam Malik men ka blano wol fana la nyaton ko fana men je ko kare da wasale Imam Malik la ko wala yow blande Supreme Islamic Council ñun dool men yalon ko wol mu murido la di wol blande je ñun dool men yalon ko wol mu safi la di Hanafi yow blande je wol be kafru ñoma ya fay Supreme Islamic Council isaje ni nar na ko be loi dol safela ida mal si ya fon ko men loi safela sa won dino be nyaade baaw banko mol ci ma bije dina mula silot nini wol kajar ya jube wo loi ni ba edit la nyaade la pour ka make sure ka kana mol batandi la dinor enen christian kanzo franci ñina ñada kelal ko wor nimba na solol na de ni president mo si na ya kacha ye duwanyo e janja je kana ke politique ba bari barwata buga wala keno abawti ñaro la je sa do bal ba fule ko ha baro mu democrat let nin ti ñaro grabul wati ka fon ko democrat len kat ya jame wato ñum buga kiya akor yol ay ya kumba bay janna ma bay dalile ka ani luwa manta democrat bu ka luwati nya ika mol la ñinin ka men ya lon ko luwa lon lafta ñene kala ni banko luwal be ñaadi wol sabo yo ñor bari momento mo yake je ne wo ma fo ko yo bay wo e dew nga ko ami do wonde o serenta bal wo sorno ko en lafta ñene kala ko ya tan rawd da wala jallo mo sifal me yan ka ñata tar rejele ka joko president wala masa kunda kana ko membe banko mol torala wala banko luwal ti ñal anyanta ya mar lawol para tab ko baro lafta men na da ko rek ni wonde yakumba bayo ma ñana ca bawo national assembly member le tare ya kalendi amanya na way aya bay supreme court ko almaki ko amanda wol fo hamad bakara lo meto raka fo ko ni court sol fo sa ka ni kiti ko kiri kunduga masa kunda jale democracy o sala banko luwatinya so ni la ta ka ko ka ni nyande mol nya ko ku mulu njawo e ko sifal le fal ha ya jama no nyumbu kakiya wala na nga bonni ji baro sa wota la firework ba me ya jama bonni ji na fana ka be sul wala mo ya bonni ji o kan kan do ko men kere nyam lo be kala fana bari taw sonna wol bela so yenyen tinyarol men ke court yamana fo iko local government and lands wala hamad bala minister general taraje Musa Drab wala benonje ko ye menke banko luwatinya masa kuna ambe siral to kuna newe banko luwatinya o ko mena fu banko dingol amanke kilinta amanke flata amanke sabat ita la maoma e banko luwatinya ila maoma e banko luwatinya sani men lote yesiri ko ko to nyaafo ko wala ka fitno kurkur banko ka ni ma ko nyuma ba fa so dunde tinyaro molbe tinyaro fa le ka fam ka laftan ni molu dun nañu mana ne tinyaro ni be siri roso ko mo da fam fa so ñu nawe kerim banko ka alfa ñande fanang ni mol na li masakunda bal lo dun nañu ase ko kuti me alon ko ning di am wado sida mol sal fanan joko al fanan ko mo fokan andu kontanda kal mamo dol je men alon ko finta ka foko iketel tumi men amanke to nyaat bawo ko masa yamari itela simfa banko dingol la nafa ka taraje eleman toro ka taraje sal mamol membe wol nyaato no wol lo ka fo anka na le jingal ka nyindu la kar le toral ka nyindu la kar le tor o man trafik no kurgur la wol be de darol bari mo be tiñarol anda dal nafa be woti ñarol abaga la fi ka to ñamay wala ma aram baro ma sokunda afla ñaw manati wala ñi mon ñala ko ya di amo commencé ko rek adi amo na ma faat comme ko wala kasiya nga boy kudo nga fay kudo nga trawo di amol bari ñi constitution ko be meke men yalon ko mol jigita ko ñi lañu degala independent organization independent institution wala ko malla ma sokunda kan ay man dara ma sokunda kele kan e malla opposition kan e man dara opposition kele kan ni amo independent wala mod ital gaaju be mëna banko na fala mënen banko lu waltara abe banko jama mol na fala ital la diamo ka ko wol ike city ikalo wala ka ni wado ko na wala fananje ya ko ke duma la ya kenken duma ya kengen sayna ka fin nam bandal wala ko baro constitution men safa bu lol lafta gamem ko li fandi wala ko ñene ñande kalanta la loi maraba luwate men ndam maral bar ndal fongo be d'accord ta men ko lafta ñene ke luwate men be maral adam baro yo sigala ñum ya fay atata fansun ta sa fena asamana say ka fu mo len ko ñanta sonna wala iba fule ko ha ñin ku kar ba ko non ñin ku do ñin ku kar do ba ko ñin ku o be ta la ñam ko ñan imam mo consult number 1 wala problème wala ila fanial me ke dabal kana fa ko ha ni adam baro ni usen dawo sita fol la tam gambia no wol site ka ta do ñin problème be solve la fol la tam gambia banko dungo mo million flanem fen ñanta sile men kaja wena ka luwa ika fo ngo mo fla wala malbul mo folo wala tiñaro wala anam barode bawo kabri sira 2006 ni ko ya jemelo luwal mam beteya ya CRC lo mo daga me même CRC lo hani mala koto monet bari ya to la e fenda momo e CRC e be gam yal no mon CRC wala na ka faale onko lafta banko luwa koto la safel alta la miro monet asate ndinga sate ba ibe yalo wala consultation ni amo consultation wala jannal be ñun ko kal bawa banko molle na fala wala be wala toral aniyata ni yakacha e gambia be ya tonko fa tonko e wulta wote na tay gambia dingol men yalla ko bantara se gambia na tay wol fana no ma band altal fana la miro monet ya safe saytal ya jube bawa to le luwa karang ya lo luwa ka safe nyaadi le ya be ka fu ñoma ya draft constitution safe bare kabi ya safe fana iko mole na nga la mirol talde bari mirol be man kunje doli ya faten doli ya faten saytal nga jube o kuflol tema ñinam tema ku nan ko de nga wolta nga wala ki say akayto ñi fala la jube alfe natra ya nyafa nsa fu ko final draft nga di masa kuna na ma nyafa nsa ko yelo man de ko de nga safe ku o force issue ni inu fana mo banko mol kan ne kayita ndi banko mol hani malla finina hani nyindo ya be ka fu ñoma ko de ba ni ajetal ko kay luwalo ba jubelo ko nim banko mol ko lafta ñina la yoki nyindo ko lafta ñe yoki sa ni ajube abuko mu mebe ko constitution of ñene aseke italien même for section 1 wala section 25 wala conflict so sa bo reconcile la ñaadi wala muy tol la do ko wala na mole même fo buka be ki je 100% ital ga jube la ku flol men dalan ko be conflict soto la le e bo reconcile la ñaadi ni ta reconcile no la ajube me jori la idea be min tol ye mol invite les safaro ga document ni man jeta nge safara si ñafla si ñasaba ndata la metingol wala consultation bar kabra a safeta foka pare ye wol beke sa ñefla men si arawat inana de ya sama aram baro ay dawda jallo samba national assembly pour kata ka ko nyin kay tan la ko nyinam banko mo la fi na famote ba atalam banko mo la loyat ni amoy atoni general wala atalam banko mo la loyat banko mo la fa nyina la CRC yala do ko kay ko nyanta kala nyame ko luwa sa fa nyame il fele ne nyina nata ala debate sign dan ba samba mo le referendum dawda jallo na de kam la mare rek moment no energy no stamina nothing comme ye mo même forcer ka ngo nyimuta yakara kay tan mo la konté la fin non dañen baaw manem tam limit membe ye malla fa atara na da ko be mol adam baro nyanta sila janna fa dia ta wato menna ko ya jame kam fo be sila fa dia dañu wato menna men dia ta ngaw ki adam baro fana lafta wol wo ku kilimo damma walam de ye ku samara wo kola to nyata ko o ketol ko de benyin la len fitri ben dawto ba wodam ma damma wala ne yo sika ya nyum ya fay nyamo ko sa ni de woke woto murna mol kan ko rek hanatra mol be kan fala ko million kemen taw woro la kenyum ko kunna pour ka banko luwa ko tol saf hanatra be million kemen dole kala je ko rek ye murna mol ka ale men safa foloke amantano sa ndo fa al ngaw fa ko rek ini mol ye consultation bari mo e ko man gara ha ko wol tinyala sa ngata Nigeria ngata Abuja ni yata ni ya ko wol kacha wo kacha ko na je wo kola ngamara ni natana yo constitution koto kilmo sike ya samana national assembly sai d'accord men na Abuja patiol be so wala ko ni ko tam limit lam adam baro la force tam kana da kan di okay ni na dal nga wo vote patiol be so wala bari dara yo discussion be ga Abuja ko dol be tinyata yi ina te yo constitution sike ya den ni kara ye fansun tasa yo samana ko pour molé na ni webe ngamara nyana UDP balanda kata kala banko molo ni nyantale ni si ni yakaja ita lafta men yo ga constitution ko ne ma laf men yo bandi bari te fon sumbu ko sa bala sama na molé e ka fa al nyinta so im mol me yalan ko ta nyada gara independent observers ti nyanda kala ko me yalan ko be lola banko mol la fe ntal betu la constitution sa la fa sanji yo america men fele jando sanji kemen ntal lu constitution kil mo bebo ni ta da fa yaje ko kuwol fale ndale say bawo sanji kemen flo ko men mu ko to na nimbi wal mankeli mo tay mo to te kere sa ni nata ne ko be luwal sa bala pour motol la ko le ba dun la loi bunju mala ko ye bumbu ngol le lo wala sa fa bundu ngol nyindo be nyole kala je nyindo be sa nyole kala je nyindo be tiole kala je Saya ni na loi ko la fa sa internet fendra sa mbo dun la buntu nyuma ko 250 years of constitution kilmo bidia amendment barka wanda lafta independence na constitution ku dol nyenen ka mbata independence republican na constitution ku dol nyenen ka kabriya jame ku de da constitution of fire fama ya fan sun constitution of samana wala kada decrees decree 1 decree 2 decree 3 decree number I don't know how many decrees for 1995 yen CRC maga ku kutote ya jame fana 1995 ay CRC lo no constitutional review commission because 1996 when you carte for yotino it la transition of it now so wali la CRC it had la consultation on the local bacon in a constitution kutosa o fana la ku don par mo nekata ya jame men sam mo yo constitution men e como le ngoni nam constitution kutoto janna kata referendum ya fale wala na bin ka fa 1997 constitution on beria sani adam boromota exactly the same thing banko mol ko la ta constitution men amu da yo fay ay fan su ta samana e como la an carte fay sani ma sa ko na ne wa fa la ñoo ko ñu constitution beria constitution ntal betu la wat ay tinya ngada so mon men yalan ko nyanta support la based on the rational constitutions are developed to benefit the people are subject to the constitution. Those people should come together and decide what constitution or what laws they want to subject themselves to. As long as they are not consulted, nothing in that document should be valid. Simple, straightforward. It doesn't matter if there is term limit. It doesn't matter if Barrow is supposed to serve 2 years and then there will be elections every 2 years. It doesn't matter. People were not consulted. That's the bottom line. Nobody should dictate to them what laws. Take it back to the people. That is UDP's position. And now if Dabo and Barrow agrees. Dabo doesn't own the country. Barrow doesn't own the country. It's the Gambian people. They need to be consulted. They were not consulted. Simple. There is a legal mechanism. In fact, for the Afro Barometer, 67% of Gambians wala ning mo kemal ba Gambia taw woro ning woro lo be ko il after le CRC draft chokna jallo ñom len draft ya sa manan ko tege National Assembly foka pare mol ma foko wo CRC draft 100% wala ñala tala referendum hani bawo National Assembly député bo wolto mol ya wala tombo pour yata ke mol kamoto ye ni ya je ko malla fi tam limit ya debate ni ya debate ya kacha ñinam advantage ñinam disadvantage ya discourse ni pare dawol ya fay bawa ka wala gam ni mol bang den kanna jama siya ka bala sila nga jube jumal la sonde ye bulo wulen ni wo men sonde wala siya ni weta so ko National Assembly nga taje nga edit nyanta men bola je nga bodi je nyanta men la je nga tuje bara man jiki nyina ko nara National Assembly ata lafta menna be ko soto la because wo ko bebe la transparent banko mol be sile ba la moy ni ajon ko ale nyim bodi je nyina man ke silori or this is what is wrong with it, this is why we want to change it. That debate will be open, it will be public, and people will see. Barrow knows he stands no chance in getting everything he wants. That is why he doesn't want the document to go to the National Assembly for editing. But now, he wants his document to go to the National Assembly for the same reason. That when it goes there, because it's already drafted, they are going to be 100% or 90% unwilling to change it. And it will pass. So National Assembly is just a talking point. National Assembly is just for formality's sake. Sidin Jabe the National Assembly they will block everything, obstructionist. They will make sure nothing passes except what Barrow wants. If indeed their whole goal is to make sure this draft constitution is edited in the National Assembly to reflect the will of the people, let them bring the 2020 draft and then campaign for what they want. Let people see the debate unfold in public, since those are the representatives of the people. But they don't want to do that because they know they don't have the numbers. And they don't have valid points or arguments, since we want to do away with Yahya Jammeh's constitution. Let the people see the debate unfold. But he is sure 100% sure he cannot get the numbers he needs to get everything he wants in the constitution. He'll rather kill it and bring his own constitution. And now these people are campaigning for everybody to go and support that. Why? You want me to subject myself to laws that I did not contribute to making? We might as well crown him King Barrow. Because he gets everything he wants, we don't get anything. So this whole thing, oh, take it to the National Assembly, let them debate. No, bring back the 2020 draft, let them debate that. People were consulted on it. I'm sure there's a legal framework where they can bring it back, reintroduce it, without changing anything. Any changes, let the National Assembly debate, change it. When they finish with their changing, they take it to the people. Referendum. Do you want it? Yes. New constitution. Do you want it? No. We continue with 1997 constitution. Simple. But what Nafiki Asifal Gambia. This draft constitution debate is not going to die because these are the laws of the people that we are going to be subject to. So why don't we do something that is going to benefit everybody, that everybody contributed towards? CRC was not limited. It was open. If you want to contribute, they give you a chance. In fact, as a witness, a lot of their meetings go over time because they want to give opportunity to everybody to hear what everybody has to say. All the recordings are there. So why would that be thrown into the dustbin and then Barrow comes up and drafts his own draft? Constitutional. Because we're in the favor. May more favor, more killing. So caring, you know, these financial scandals that are going on with the Gambia's name coming up in every scandal that's going on, passport scandal, the cocaine bust that still nothing has come out of it, that magic airplanes that were bought and they end up in Belarus or something, the Russian oil scandal now, Bashar Assad's stealing money from his people, just like Jammeh did, and Gambia's name is surfacing in it, all for what? I don't want Barrow to make more money. Muslim elders, don't worry about where the funding is going to come from. You are the head of state. You are going to help Muslim elders. That is a sect within the country. You're going to fund them, but you don't want them to ask where the funding is coming from. What about the Christian Council? So manam toñaati ñindol ko tel lata ñina ya kunje ñindol ko tel lata ñina ya kunje ana alquran ta yalla ndol ñal na diata me ye song na man dia me ye bala nim fata ala ya ta sécurité bar comme bébé sirim banko la ka ite ka fa ñindol yon ko mbako do di la barak hanal ma al famata ni ka ñene ka e ka bana minto car president number 1 you're not allowed to do a business. Number 2, you are salaried and you're not going to use your salary for that. Ibama fon ka brata asazare asambale tano. Ika molla kodota, ika security pa. Munana arambaro ba more than one security person. So why does he even need security outside the country? Munana to travel to any country and the Gambia's diplomatic mission there, they contribute towards our security or your house in a place where he can be secure. Why does he have to travel with a whole bunch of security detail, end up paying them millions for per diem? Why? Itama okay no. Iulu baya sasa ya suture ya jara ko nyanta jara nyama wala ya sambara Tesla yela suturo laka foye bankola kodo da blandi je say mol be fele muske bala kuma fa so fa bali alta mero so to bo be ke kam e kana fa nyndole on ko kodo men fa mbadi la hanama jara yal fa batande o bonde la alta ko do soro la e babu namindo dama ko corruption. So you kusi fa le banko kan bari bu kay da tele wala eta fla le ko mano da beten dem banyine ke kan pour ka jindi le tano to ngal na boroti ye bari nyine ke kan pour ka ma ko ale boro soto nyine nyine be kere ngasilo do ku jande 50 kilometers 70 kilometers 80 kilometers for what when there is no trade in the country? What are you doing to make sure trade is flourishing in the country? Nana to know the results. Everybody sees it. Every academic year, we have the same complaint online. The results are poor. The results are poor. The results are poor. With all the access to information on the internet now, look at the Jawara days. The people who who went to school in those days, they are way versed in their subject area, more, academically inclined than currently. When you had to go to the library manually, you bukol sike faye, you research. Spend hours and hours. Now it's at your fingertips. Google, your type. Children cannot even access that in the Gambia. But you keep saying us classroom bill. Information is no longer brick and mortar. What are you doing to facilitate internet education in the Gambia? In schools. But you are still stuck in 1910. Why are you building all those classrooms? And the results keeps getting poorer and poorer. Gambian children cannot compete with any other children across. And in the social media, TikTok, and YouTube and everything. See who they are competing against and what those people's contents look like. Mankili. There is no school number, classroom number, so many classrooms built. Leptano, I refurbish this hospital. People are still, your mother is going for checkup in Senegal. So what is the benefit of all of that? Now man can just a dumpster where you just dumping public money. But in Bekela, they don't say anything about that. They just want you to focus on, management is saying this, I love to banko malala. UDP in Kolte, love to banko malala. You are destroying people's homes, not giving anything. Because you don't have the mechanism in place. Make sure compound A belongs to Landing Sane. And make sure anybody else who comes, because of the demarcation, you look at your records, oh, I'm buying compound A. No, we already have in our record code, it belongs to Landing Sane. We need to talk to him. But here compound A, Wafi Landing Sane, compound A, Wafi Yankuba Manjama, compound A, Yamrea, Feature Nokoyaram. The same thing. The same compound to 5 people. So when you want to demolish it, because of the need of the country or the community, a greater need for the community, you just send your message to Yankuba Minte when he doesn't even have any access to that land. But at that point, Cherno was the one living in the compound. You come and destroy. You say, oh, we gave them notice. Who did you give the notice to? That is a fault from the ministry. They didn't take care of it. But now they left people homeless. People are getting angry, saying we would rather die than whatever happens, happens. Is that not a recipe for disaster in the country? Everywhere in the world, even Russia, Ukraine, is the reason why, foreign Davoko and Bangkok. Land. Simple. Russia, Ukraine, land. Israel, with their genocide, what is it? Land. The same thing. Everywhere you go, land is the problem. So to be serious, whatever more local land in your boy. Many along ko mamanyo lokungol and la ado ro walam. Natare lafto ado change la put very good laws in place. Make sure people are not unjustly treated. But neko nyemunta lokungol eventually ninkunku ban seno banda ikatala nyote manela koral loji. Ning government solara you go and buy it from the people who own it and then you build what you need to build there. But if you see you need to go. 5-6 years down the line, you distribute the land among your cronies and leave those people homeless. Keep pushing them further and further into the country, where they go and find new lands. And then eventually you say, oh, development is here. Your grandparents own this land, but now we need it. You kick their kids out. What sense does that make? You're brewing disaster in the country. But then you're pointing fingers to people who are telling you the truth. These are the people who want to Tal Deccan. What has Mahdi ever said that is going to Tal Deccan? So this is the problem in the country, and the people need to be focused on what the real issues are. Nobody is telling you, well, not yet. Campaign man start follow. You know which side I'm on and which side I'm going to campaign for. But the fact of the matter is this government is failing, and people need to see where they're failing. When it comes time, we will have 35 candidates to choose from. Have faith in who you believe will be the rightful replacement. Whether you have enough people thinking the same way or not, that's not up to you. But follow your conviction. Don't say, oh, even though this guy is bad, he's terrible. We did the same thing in 2021. Look where we are today. What progress have we made? It's going to be worse. The longer somebody stays in power, the more power he gets. And the less concern he has for the people. So that leads to what the IJM situation was in the country. Before we take action, a lot of people have unnecessarily lost their lives, unnecessarily lost their properties. Some are maimed for life, still waiting for justice. Ruined people's lives. Look at Sankoria. Not that I'm sympathetic to him, because his action, whatever actions you do, there's consequences. But where is his family now? Devastated because of his fate. Why? Because he answered to Yahya Jammeh's call. Maybe he was scared, he did what he did. Maybe he was greedy to do what he did. Maybe he was just arrogant. I don't know. But he did it. Yahya Jammeh approved of it. It was in violation of the law, and now he has to pay the price. being jailed in America, thousands of miles away from your family. They're never going to see you again, and you're not going to get a phone call to call international, maybe. Essentially, you are alive, but you are dead to your family. How much trauma are they going through? The longer somebody stays in power, the worse they become. Because they feel like they're not accountable to the people. Whatever they do, the people will pass it off and say, oh yeah, you know, he's better than the alternative, when you have not tested any of the alternatives. We saw it here. Everybody like, oh, Halifa Saleh is good, Halifa Saleh is good, Halifa Saleh is good. Election time. Don't vote for Halifa Saleh because he has no chance of winning. Let's just maintain Adama Barrow. What sense does that make? You believe somebody is good to lead the country. Even in 2020, last year, America's election, there was a Green Party candidate. So many candidates that people know we're not going to win, and people were campaigning against them. But people said, this is my conviction. I'm not going to vote for either of the candidates. Why? Because of their track record, especially in what is going on in the Middle East. So they went with their gut, and then we ended up where we ended up. It's not a good situation, of course, but they stuck to their conviction. If you have a conviction, stick to it. Let us show this man what you're doing to the country is wrong. We want an alternative. If we change and then the person after him comes, Yahya Jammeh was there 22 years. What did he say? Jawara was there 30. Yahya Jammeh was there 22 years. We kicked him out. Barrow after 10 years, kick him out. Whoever comes after him, if he doesn't do what is expected, kick him out after 5 years. The next person will act right. That's how you get it right. So, you know, we'll try to come every week because there's something going on every day in that country. That is ridiculous. But as far as the draft constitution is concerned, let us stick to our guns. This is something that will affect our lives directly, whether we want to or not. They are the laws of the country. The government can violate the laws and get away with it, like Adama Barrow keeps doing, and he's not getting impeached. Fire the National Assembly member, clear violation of the constitution, nothing happened. Send armed officers into the premises of a local government authority who exercise their authority rightfully, and they acted in violation of the constitution. Nothing is going to come out of it. The government can do that. They are the people in power. So it doesn't matter what constitution they give us. They are going to try and do whatever they want to do to maintain power. And it is up to the National Assembly or the people to rise up and say, we don't want this. You have to obey the law. But if they give you those bad laws, that gives them excuse to do it, and you cannot do anything about it. And then we're saying, oh, just let it pass. No. It's not going to happen. We can have this fight again at the next. If you feel like you need people in the National Assembly who are going to do whatever the government says, next election, don't vote for UDP. Vote for other people. They will just go along with whatever the government says. That's what they want. A one-party state, the power is in the hands of the people. Go and vote for whoever you want to vote for that is going to align with the government, if you think that's what progress means. Until we'll be on this side here doing our thing. You know, we talk. Sometimes you want to give up, like other people say they're already giving up, but you consider that lady out there in the country who has constantly been saying, no, 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 no. We give up, we're giving up on her. So we'll keep talking. We'll keep doing our best. Hopefully people see the light and know that what's wrong is wrong. Whatever decision you make after that, it's up to you. Whether you stick with it or you don't, it's up to you. But what's wrong, we'll point it out and say this is wrong. The rest, that's in the hands of the people. So until next week, inshallah, we'll try again. And like I said, the fight has started. Well, it's been going on. We just didn't have time to take part. But hopefully we can keep it up now. So Allah Baraka Bako. We'll see you guys next week.